the 2025 Toyota RAV4 marks another step forward for Toyota's iconic compact SUV, combining practicality, style, and advanced features. As one of the best-selling SUVs globally, the RAV4 has a lot to live up to, and the 2025 model doesn't disappoint. It brings several enhancements in design, performance, technology, and safety, ensuring it stays ahead of the competition. The exterior of the 2025 Toyota RAV4 presents a bold and dynamic look. Toyota has refined the already sharp design, giving it a more aggressive front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and redesigned taillights that add a futuristic touch. The body lines are sharper and more aerodynamic, not just for aesthetics but also for improved fuel efficiency. The new alloy wheel designs range from sporty 17-inch options to more luxurious 19-inch variants, offering a choice for different tastes. The color palette has been expanded with fresh options, including a striking dual-tone scheme, appealing to those looking for a more personalized touch. Under the hood, the 2025 RAV4 continues to offer multiple powertrains, ensuring there's an option for every type of driver. The standard gasoline engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder that delivers reliable power and efficiency. For those seeking better fuel economy, the hybrid version is an excellent choice. It pairs the same engine with an electric motor, providing a seamless driving experience with reduced emissions. The plug-in hybrid variant, known as the RAV4 Prime, is a standout in the lineup. With impressive electric-only range and quick acceleration, it caters to both eco-conscious drivers and those who enjoy a spirited drive. Toyota has also improved the suspension system, ensuring a smoother ride on all terrains. Inside, the 2025 RAV4 showcases a well-thought-out interior that prioritizes comfort and technology. The cabin is spacious, offering ample legroom and headroom for passengers in both rows. High-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces and optional leather upholstery, elevate the overall feel. The driver-centric dashboard has been updated with a larger infotainment screen, now measuring 12.3 inches, and includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Toyota's latest infotainment system is faster and more intuitive, featuring improved voice recognition and over-the-air updates,